Unlocking efficiency with task automation.
Task automation is a powerful way to save time and reduce manual effort in coding routines. By using simple scripts, developers can handle tedious tasks automatically, leaving more time for creative problem solving. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, learning to automate repetitive work can boost productivity and help avoid costly mistakes.
What is scripting for automation?
A script is a small program written to execute a specific series of commands. Scripting languages like Python, Bash, or JavaScript are often used to automate tasks such as file organization, code formatting, and data processing. These scripts are easy to write and modify, making them perfect for streamlining everyday coding chores.
Common coding tasks you can automate.
Many repetitive coding tasks are prime candidates for automation. Examples include renaming files, formatting code, running tests, backing up project folders, and generating reports. Automating these processes not only saves time, but also reduces errors, helping maintain consistency across your projects.
Getting started. Your first automation script.
Begin by identifying a repetitive task in your workflow. Choose a scripting language you're comfortable with and write a simple script to accomplish the task. For example, use Python to batch rename files or Bash to automate code compilation. Start small, test your script carefully, and gradually build more complex automations as you gain confidence.
Best practices for successful automation.
Keep scripts simple and well documented. Include comments and clear variable names so you or others can understand the script later. Test thoroughly to avoid unintended results. Consider backing up important data before running new automation scripts. Over time, refine and expand your automations to cover new tasks and optimize your coding workflow.